When your man doesn't like your cooking, Hi guys, welcome to Talkify-me with Lynn. My advice on this hot topic will promote healthy communication, collaboration, and personal growth within the relationship. If your man doesn't like your cooking, don't take it as a personal failure. It happens in many relationships. The key here is communication and a willingness to explore solutions together. Start by asking him what specifically he doesn't enjoy about the food. Is it the flavor, the ingredients, or maybe the way it's prepared? This conversation should be approached with an open mind and without defensiveness. Once you have clarity, consider cooking together as a way to bond and learn about each other's tastes. It can be a fun activity where you both experiment with recipes and discover what you both enjoy. You could also take it as an opportunity to improve your culinary skills by trying new recipes or even taking a cooking class. Remember, every relationship involves some compromise. If cooking isn't your strong suit, that's okay. Maybe there are other areas where you excel that bring balance to the relationship. The most important thing is to keep the dialogue open, support each other, and find solutions that work for both of you.